What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel right now. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys if you guys are subscribed. Thank you guys so much. Today I just got back home from work right now. Today we're gonna do some graffiti today. Okay, we're gonna do graffiti right here. Okay, I did it last time I put on TikTok. I tried to do the vlog, but I didn't upload because my computer crashed. So we're doing it here. Once the fucking sprinklers, stop, because they're running pretty late right now. It's like 10 o'clock right now, so I think they're gonna go off right here as well for a little bit and then come back and do it. But there's no wind, so it's good because I'm gonna wrap saran wrap around the tree like before, like I did in the woods. I'll put a picture up right here so you guys can check it out. But I did it in Lattle Creek, and I'm gonna do more spots later on, but I'm gonna do it today right here and then see how it goes, something small real quick, and do a little vlog for you guys. But yeah, fucking sharks just chilling. I still need to get an emblem. My emblem is gone. Like someone stole it. But yeah, we're gonna go in the back real quick. Need to check if I have extra saran wrap real quick. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I couldn't find it. That was weird. Maybe it's in the garage. If not, I need to get another shrink wrap. Hopefully they have some at Lowe's or Home Depot. We'll see though. All right. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys are watching this, please subscribe, like it as well, share it too. Will help me out. Damn, fuck. Look at that. All water spots for the fucking sprinklers. Damn. Let's go. We're at Lowe's right now, guys. We're at Lowe's. Hopefully they have some good paint. Of course they don't have good paint, I need to get, some Montana soon, order from the website and then get them shipped out here. But it'll take a while, and I'm home early, so I might as well do the graffiti today. And it doesn't come out perfect, it comes out sometimes crappy, depending on the weather, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I got the sick ass pantuflas. See my walk, guys? They used to have orange, like an orange one, and it was pretty dope, so should have got it back then, but I guess we have to get this one then. This is 1,000 feet, so, and we got to stretch that thing tight, on the trees, so it holds up when you spray against it. So you got it, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, got black. Use black. Mad Wild Honey. Let's try this one. Try that. So the two greens. This light green. This is a matte sea green, so we'll see if that can blend well. Hopefully. Let's go find some gloves. We'll get these for now. All right, guys. I got all my shit. Hopefully this thing comes out pretty sick. Now, if you guys like graffiti, you guys like drawing, something like that, like this video. All right, catch you guys later. All right, guys, back from Lowe's. Okay, we just got back right now. Got the paint right here, right? Got on the table. The saran wrap. Guys, I'm not a professional at this. I freaking suck. I'm trash. So please, it's gonna be okay. But it's all right. All right then, let's get it. Cans are horrible, so it might suck. Remember, guys, anybody can do this, all right? So if you love drawing, you guys can do this. Easy. Wrap it around your tree, wrap it around your post. If you have a post that's all deep in the ground, that's good. Don't use the easy up, because I used the easy up against the tree and it's like so much pressure. You gotta have it tight, super tight. I didn't have it that tight, I need to make it more tight again next time. But when you do it, just gotta have it like super tight. And I had it super tight in the easy up and it just snapped my shit, But trees, of course, work way better. So if you have trees in your front yard, if you have like a fence, that's deep in the ground, you guys can do this. But if you guys want to see more, like this video, alright? Some of you guys might hate it and shit, and then comment, you do all your negative comments and shit. It's all good though. I didn't say I was the best. I'm a rookie. You guys know this. Alright guys, all done. What do you guys think? Has a lot of drips, you know? Like over here has a lot of drips. And then like some of the spots are missing, but just because it's so loose, you know? And then like the paint won't get in there, so maybe I can make a wall maybe next time. Or someone has a wall, let me know. But if you guys like this video, please like it. Press that like button, subscribe if you guys are not. I'll catch you guys next time. Alright.